Welcome to humaning. I bought 2 matching chairs today, and that's kind of a big deal in my life because, I've always just been immature and not had great furniture. I'm sitting on a van seat right now, for example. I bought this lamp a while back at the Restore. It's dusty right now, and that's because I got the back door open all the time for the dogs. That's a long story, but that's one of the first furniture items that I actually really like that I bought, but it doesn't go with anything else. Well, today I went to that same Restore place looking for potentially for podcasting chairs for my office and a dresser, and I found some really cheap chairs that aren't ideal, but they were so cheap that kind of made them ideal, especially because those plus a really ugly but functional and cheap dresser. And so I said to the man, I'll take that ugly dresser and these 2 really awesome cheap chairs. And that was $95. I happen to have a $100 bill, so that worked out perfectly. And it's the Restore where they do some charity stuff as well. And I guess I'm just reflecting on, I'm wanting to feel like a grown-up, like a more mature person. It's not even the maturity, actually. It's the raising of standards, like a person who can buy nice chairs. But I'm actually the kind of person who would take so-so chairs for a lesser price. The truth is, these particular chairs, I'm sure you'll see them in a video before long if you stick around. These particular chairs look handmade. They're matching, but they're quite heavy duty, and like maybe someone made them out of some lumber. Not handmade like janky, but handmade like quality and unique. They're not fancy, like carved or anything, and they're upholstered with some kind of funky, like maybe made for outdoor fabric. Anyway, overall, they're perfect for me because I like them. They're unique, they're sturdy, they're heavy duty, they're kind of big for the office, but a little bit on the small side for podcasting chairs, which is what I need for my small office. And I can put different cushions, or I can reupholster them. And right now, because I have puppies, actually, I don't have puppies anymore. I have 1 puppy and 1 mama dog who's almost not a puppy. I just got her spayed, and she is probably a little over a year old now. So maturing, like me. Hey, like you too. Nobody's getting any younger around here. Hate to break it to you. Sorry. That wasn't very nice, was it? Yeah, parts of me feel like more grown up for these 2 matching chairs. It's just about like for doing it because I wanted to and I needed to, or I've been thinking about mulling over these changes. Those chairs catalyze moving some shelves in my room. That's hence needing the dresser. There's a tired puppy over here telling me it's time for bed. And I think he's right. So I'm going to hit the hay. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks if you like and subscribe. Thanks for being you, and let me be me. I hope you're having fun humaning too. And I'll be seeing you soon. Ciao for now.